Hi everybody, it's Chris.
And Joan.
From Chris and Joan's Travels. Hey, this is our day 7 blog for Ensenada. So today started out like every other day for me. Joni slept, I ran. After I ran, I came back, we cleaned up, and today we decided to do something a little bit different. We went down and ate in the main dining room. We went to Taste. Now I'll tell you, you go to Taste to eat. It's not like going to the local, it's not like going to the buffet. It's going to be an hour. We were in like 5 minutes, but we were there eating for over an hour. They don't serve quickly. So if you're in a hurry, probably Taste and Savor in the morning are not your best plan.
But when we went, there wasn't a line. When we left, there was a long line.
There was a long line. We were there kind of early. Went in, the food was okay. It was a little slow getting it. We had to order our seconds. They didn't take the whole order right the first time, but no, I'm not going to complain. It was fine. It was just a little slow. After we did that, we walked around the ship a little, and then we decided, you know what, it's time to, we got 3 hours to kill, so we went to the spa. We did our normal little morning spa thing. After we did the spa, we went back down to the room. We started packing because today was the last day. You had to have your luggage out by 9 p.m. So we probably got about halfway packed. And then we decided to go up to the spa, relaxed in the spa for about an hour. And we came back down here, cleaned up, and the ship was starting to pull in. So we walked around the ship. We had a 12:15 meet time because we went and did the city highlights and shopping tour, one of their excursions. And this is where we had a little fun. They took us to, I gotta go look it back up. If I say it wrong, I don't know how to speak Spanish, so it'll be wrong to begin with. We went to, part of the tour, they took you to an old hotel that Jack Dempsey and a bunch of other investors started in the 30s, called Casa de la Cultura. If I said it wrong, I'm sorry. It was actually kind of cool. We went in there, they showed us around a little in there. We did a little shopping there. We got the story of how the margarita was invented there by the original owner, or one of the second owners actually. And that was actually kind of cool. And then we got a free margarita in a cup that was maybe about this big. It was okay, nice size. It was tasty in my mind. It was one of the better margaritas, and they told us how to make a margarita. And then from there, we had about 10 minutes of looking at the little shops, or maybe 4 or 5 little booths there. We did a little shopping, and then we got back on the bus. And the bus then took us to a ride to a bottling plant for the wineries around here, Santos Tomas. Kind of a nice, we had to wait a little line. I guess there was a carnival ship also in port, so there was like 5 groups, and we were the last group. So we had about a 45-minute wait. So we were just kind of looking around the place. We got to see some pictures or look at the barrels where they barrel the wine, and then I kind of snuck around, and I got to see the fermenting process going on in the big 25,000 liter fermentation area. So that was actually kind of cool. I kind of looked at that. I knew what I was looking at from tours back in our wine country. And then after that, we got to finally go in, and we had a blast. This bartender, I guess that's what we'll call her, she served us 3 kinds of wines, a white, a rosé, and a red. And she was a little bit outrageous. There'll be a video, you'll have to watch it. She was actually pretty good. She made the whole tour in my mind. And then after we had our 3 wines, we were given bread and cheese, and we got to taste with olive oil. And there were like 6 or 7 kinds of olive oil, so that was actually kind of nice. They went through that. And again, same waitress or staff member, we'll say, went through that, and she, again, was pretty outrageous. She was pretty funny. And we ended up buying a bottle of the wine there because we actually liked the white. It was really good. And then after that, we got back on the bus, and they took us to a shopping area, and we had about an hour to shop there. And we did a bunch of shopping. Probably spent way too much money again today shopping. But the shopping was fun. Got to see some different things. After we got done with the shopping, we got back on the bus. and it brought us back here. We got back here about 4:30, I think. And after we did the shopping, we saw the Ensenada sign over by where the Carnival cruise ship was parked. So we took a little 5-10 minute walk over to there. We got our picture with that, and then walked back. We got on the ship. We came up and finished our packing. Well, we went to the spa, then we came back and finished our packing.
Back in the hot tub.
Enjoyed the spa some more. And then after that, we went down and had Texas Q for dinner. And got to listen to the country band. And the food was filling. I had chicken, a potato, a salad, corn on the cob, and then a big old brownie. If you don't eat... I swear, if you eat all the food every day, you walk out of here at least 20 pounds too heavy when you're done.
Even if you don't, you still end up eating, except for him.
It was good, but it was good. That actually was just the right amount of food for me today. It was. I don't feel overfull tonight. And then after that, we went and did some more shopping. Joni got her charms.
All my charms.
So she got all her charms, and then we went over. We got our pictures taken care of. Which was easy, and then she bought a couple picture frames they were having a sale for, and that's it. Now we're kind of done. I'm thinking of going down to gamble a little since I got a few gambling dollars left. They haven't taken it all. I figure I'd give them a chance to take it all, and then we got to come up here, finish packing our carry-off bags, and 8:30 tomorrow we're gonna be off the ship. Woo-hoo. But this was a great cruise. Highly recommend it. The Bliss is a great ship in my mind. If it's not the number 1 or 2, it's definitely top 3. Having been on 7 different ships with NCL now, this is definitely a top 3 ship in my mind. What else, dear?
No, that was very good. We enjoyed ourselves. Everything was great.
So the only thing left now is to disembark tomorrow and get our luggage. Maybe we'll do a 5-minute blog after that just to say we're off the ship and in the parking lot. Boo-hoo. But we had a great time. Again, the staff was good. We did our comment cards, took advantage of the cruise next process while we were on the ship. So everything was outstanding. This was one of the best. That's 9 cruises in the book. So there you go.
Yep. If you get a chance, go check out our other videos that we did for this cruise. And
our shorts. We did some shorts.
So hope you like all those.
Go see the snowball fight. Watch the snowball fight in the snow room in the spa. That's kind of funny. That's it. So I'm Chris.
And Joan from Chris and
Joan's Travels. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Adios, amigos.
Thank you much. Have a good night.
Bye.